Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths and One with Poonam ma'am. Happy Lodi to all of you. So, in today's session, we are going to continue with fractions, right? So, our today's topic is going to be word problems or story sums. Now, today we will try to connect the fraction in our real life. Why you are learning it, why it is there in your maths book, you will get to know it today. So let's take one example and understand fractions in real life in a better way. All right. So I have two friends for you. One is Rohit and other is Mohit. Rohit and Mohit, they are friends. They are friends. They are friends. Rohit and Mohit. Now, Rohit and Mohit. Rohit and Mohit. Rohit and Mohit are two friends. Rohit had 16 chocolates. Rohit had 16 chocolates. And Mohit had 1/4 of it. मोहित ने क्या किया? रोहित के पास जो 16 चॉकलेट्स हैं उसकी 1/4 चॉकलेट खा ली. Mohit had or ate 1/4 chocolate of 16 chocolates. How many chocolates he ate? See? How many chocolates Mohit ate? Mohit is looking so happy because he ate so many chocolates. And how many chocolates are left? So we are talking about today Rohit and Mohit. Rohit had 16 chocolates and Mohit जो है रोहित का फ्रेंड है. So रोहित ने मोहित को 1/4 of 16 chocolates दे दी. So in last, how many chocolates he ate, that I need to find, and how many chocolates are left. So let's begin with the question. Solution. Maths का solution होता है, questions के answer होते हैं. You remember it? So maths में in word problem or in normal questions we write solution. Rohit and Mohit are two friends. Rohit had 16 chocolates. Okay, now what is the way to attempt any word problem? First of all, underline special information which will be required in solving question. जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं क्वेश्चन के उसको अंडरलाइन करिए बिकॉज ओनली दीज पॉइंट्स विल हेल्प यू इन सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. सो रोहित हैड 16 चॉकलेट्स. फर्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है. जो जो इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है हमें उसको हम लिखेंगे इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. ओके. सो रोहित हैड और चॉकलेट्स विद रोहित. ठीक है. किसी भी तरीके से लिख सकते हैं बेटा. यू कैन राइट दिस ऑल्सो. चॉकलेट्स विद रोहित. ओके. 16. मोहित जो कि रोहित का फ्रेंड है, ही एट और हैड 1/4 ऑफ इट. मोहित एट 1/4, 1/4 of 16. So children, do you remember such kind of questions we have already solved in one of our session? Right? So 1/4 of 16. इसका मतलब हमारा क्वेश्चन रेडी है सॉल्व होने के लिए. We have made our question. Remember, there is nothing in the denominator. So you remember to balance both the numbers, we will put 1 in the denominator as every number is a fraction number. 1 दिखता नहीं है but 1 होता है. It is always there. Please remember it. Okay. So our next step will be 1/4 of will become multiply and 16/1 as it is. Other numbers will come as it is. Okay. Then as we don't have space here, we will go here. Now we will make the house bigger and call both the numerators together in the numerator and both the denominators together in the denominator. 1/16 are 16 or 16 ones are also 16. 4 ones are 4. You remember what is the meaning of this fraction number? It means that you will divide your numerator by denominator, right? Now, You need to see whether 16 comes in the table of 4 or not. Yes, it comes. There will be no remainder. So 4 4s are 16. So what did you find? Mohit ate 1/4 of 16 chocolate means 4 chocolates. So this is your answer. Mohit ate 4 chocolates. That means 1/4 of 16. इसका मतलब ये जो 4 है ना, ये 16 चॉकलेट्स का 4th पार्ट है. चलो अब इसको पिक्चर से अच्छे से समझते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम ड्रॉइंग 16 चॉकलेट. ठीक है. Why I'm doing like this? Because you should know how to use it using picture also, how to represent it through pictures also. ठीक है? So I am drawing 16 chocolates. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 chocolates I have drawn or made. So हमारा आंसर क्या था? 4. इसको समझेंगे बेटा. लॉजिकली आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड. दिस 4 इज 1/4 of 16. मतलब 16 के 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. मतलब 1 पार्ट में कितना आया? अगर 16 को 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में हमने शेयर किया, देखो 4 4 4 and 4. मतलब if you are talking about 1/4 of 16, 4 chocolates will come. Half of 16, देखो half of 16 किया तो क्या आएगा? मतलब 16 की आधी चॉकलेट, half, all 8. Half of 16 will be 16 upon 2. मतलब 2 8s are 16. So this is how we show through pictures also. Okay, we should know how to represent situation using pictures also. Please revise it. So this is first question which we have learned now, that how to use fractions in real life or in different situations of real life. Okay, so that's it for today's session, where we have understood how to use fractions in word problem. So we will meet in our next session with next word problem. Till the time, bye-bye.